How to set up TP-Link router. So if you want to set up TP-Link router, then just follow the steps. First, you need to position your router. So the product should be located in a place where it will be exposed to moisture or excessive heat. Place the router in a location where it can be connected to multiple devices as well as to a power source. The router can be placed on a shelf or desktop. So the second thing you need to have is connect to the internet. The router provides four working modes: the wireless router mode, which is like this, and WISP mode, or range extender mode, or access point mode. So you can simply choose any one of these. So for example, I'll be showing you how you can set up your TP-Link router with access point mode. So this mode transforms your existing wired network to a wireless connection. So connect your power adapter to the router, then connect your router to your wired host router's Ethernet port through an Ethernet cable as shown above, like this. And then connect a computer to the router through an Ethernet cable or wirelessly by using the SSID, which is network ID, or the network name and password printed on the bottom label of the router. And enter the tplinkwifi.net in the address bar of a web browser. Use admin for username and password. Then click login and you'll be able to log in, which is like this. Like if you go and search for tplinkwifi.net, you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter the username and password and you can log into your account and you can connect it. So that's how you can set up your TP-Link router, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.